Okay, how you doing? On the menu today we're going to be making Methi chicken, Indian curry basically. Methi is fenugreek leaves. It's a wonderful distinctive flavour. This curry is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So at the back I've got my chicken. Now, the chicken that I'm using is chicken breast with no skin and no bone, cut into kind of, nice bite-sized pieces. You could be using chicken thigh or something like that. Here I've got 2 tomatoes chopped. Here I've got 1 onion sliced up, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, a few fresh green chilies. Here I've got a teaspoon of chili powder and turmeric. In here I've got our whole seeds, which we've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, a couple of dried red chilies, a few, maybe half a dozen, green cardamom and some bay leaf. And then we've got our methi leaf there, which I'll just show you. Wonderful, wonderful smell. Not to be confused with this, which is fenugreek seeds. So methi is fenugreek leaves. These are fenugreek seeds, which we're not using in that. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, a touch of salt. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so we've got our pot here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. And first we're going to drop in our whole garam masala or whole seeds. So we've got bay leaf, a little bit of dried red chili, and then cumin seeds and green cardamom pods. And what we're going to do for a few seconds is just let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse the oil with their lovely flavours. So don't skip this stage, it's very, very important. You could, if you want to be using some black cardamom, which are a bit larger than the green and a slightly more sort of eucalyptus flavour, but I like the green only in this. Okay, we're now going to drop in our onion and then we're going to go for about 3 minutes on a fairly lively heat. Absolutely wonderful, incredible smells coming off this already. We're now going to add in our chicken. Like I said, I'm using chicken breast. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to go for about another 3 to 4 minutes again, staying on this lively heat again. Okay, this is looking absolutely fabulous. Now I'm going to add our garlic ginger paste. And staying on the high heat, we're going to go just for about 2 minutes now. Keep it moving. Sensational. Okie dokie, next move. Let's now get in our chili powder and our turmeric, our fresh chili, and our methi, or fenugreek leaves. Now what you can do is put it in your hand and rub it in there like that. You can crush it in like that. Some people soak it in water and then add the water or drain the water off. But yeah, I like to just crush it in my hand. Fantastic, fantastic, wonderful, unique flavour. Little mix. And then in we go with our fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy tomato. And cook this now for about 4 to 5 minutes. What we want is those tomatoes to break down and give us some form of moisture. I'll see you then. And that's looking wonderful. Those tomatoes have just given up enough moisture for me. Off goes the heat. We're going to hit this now with a little bit of garam masala powder. Just a nice couple of pinches, a beautiful finishing spice. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. In it goes. Get the rice on. This is wonderful. Check that for salt. It's going to be good for me, I know that. And that's lovely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.